Hello guys, let's do unboxing from TikTok. Nabudol na naman ako sa TikTok. There you go. Let's open it. Anong laman nito? This is gonna be that one. What's this? For staying unmoved. Ayan. Madami siya. So, we'll see. Let's try to open slowly. It's not easy. Oh my god. There we go. And then now, let's put this back. And let's put it to the window. See that, guys? So, I will put that here. And fingers crossed it will work. And it helps me. There you go, guys. So, after the update, ayan, oh. Yan ang itsura niya. So, it's working. Lalo na here, na ang aming weather are changeable. Hi everyone! Unboxing moment from TikTok. This is not sponsored. So, nag-early shopping ang lola niya. Nagpagalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Winter na siya, so stocking with ano lang siya, for warm. Ayan, stocking. And this is a pajama. Oh, nice and soft. Ang ganda ng material niya. Malambot. Ayan. And the other one is pajama pa rin. Ayan. Here, pajama siya. This one is a dress for Christmas. Ayan, pang Christmas charot. Yan. Kasya ba? Oh, may pang Christmas na ako. Oh. Ayan. Nice and safe fitting na. Tapos ito naman is ito, trousers. Trousers siya. Tracksuit button. Oh my god, ang laki-laki. Meron siyang, ayan, pampainit. Oh my god, ang laki. Super big. We'll see. Yan lang. That's all for today. But, picture natin o video natin pag isuot ko na. Ayan yung, ano, oops, hindi siya klaro. Yan yung, ano, tracksuit bottom. It look big, but pag sinuot mo na, hindi naman siya. Oh, nice and warm. Oh, diba? Oh, ito na. Oh, ang ganda. Oh, pack. Kasi siya, guys. Ang ganda. Nice. Medyo manipis lang siya. But, it's fit me. Ito. Ang ganda niya kasi stretchable siya. Oh. Malamig. Malamig sa katawan. That's it. Guys, ito. Mix unboxing tayo, yeah. Hello. Mag-unboxing tayo. This is not sponsored. This is my third times na in order ko. But this time, hindi siya syrup. Kung hindi capsule. Ang ganda ang packaging niya. Wait. Ayan. Women's multivitamins. Tapos, vitamin D. Open siya. Pero nakasil naman. And this, another one is vitamin D. Itong ginagamit namin ngayon. So, guys, so far okay naman. So, we'll see this one, multivitamins. Ayan na. Pag may edad na, kailangan na ng mga vitamins. Charot. Yun lang. Suki, baka naman. Another unboxing. Never end of unboxing. What is this? Ta-da! Ayan, mahal siya. Mahal siya, pero kasi parang siya travel.